Hey everyone, this is your host. Today I'm going to talk about why I think AI will change software development forever. The pace of technological change is accelerating. We've seen big changes over the last 10 years with the rise of smartphones, social media, cloud computing, and most recently, artificial intelligence. These technological shifts not only impact how we live and work, but also how we solve problems and build products. As someone who's been involved in the tech industry for over a decade, I've seen firsthand how these changes shape the future of software development. Let me ask you a question. When you imagine the future of software development, what do you see? Do you picture developers writing code faster than ever before? Do you envision AI-powered systems that identify and fix bugs instantly? Or perhaps you see developers creating complex applications with just a few simple commands? Well, the future is already here, and it's closer than you think. Today, I want to talk to you about why I think AI will change software development forever. For many, coding is more than just a job. It's a passion, a creative outlet, and a way to build something from nothing. However, writing code is not easy. It requires patience, attention to detail, and the ability to solve complex problems. But what if I told you that the future of software development is not just about writing code, but teaming up with artificial intelligence that writes, debugs, and even optimizes code faster than any human ever could? Would you still see coding as a skill, a superpower powered by AI? If you're ready to take a journey into the heart of AI-driven software development, keep watching. Over the past few decades, software development has come a long way. What used to take weeks or even months to develop now takes days or even hours. But there's still room for improvement. Enter AI, a game-changing technology that promises to revolutionize software development like never before. AI is transforming software development in several ways. One of the most significant impacts of AI in software development is the ability to write code faster. Traditionally, writing code is a time-consuming process that requires a lot of skill and expertise. Developers have to remember a vast amount of code snippets and syntax rules for different languages. But with AI, developers can leverage tools like GitHub Copilot, which uses machine learning to help developers write code faster. GitHub Copilot can predict the next line of code based on the code that has already been written, allowing developers to write code faster with fewer errors. For example, a developer can start typing out a function, and GitHub Copilot will predict the rest of the function code, saving the developer time and reducing the risk of human error. But writing code is only the first step in the software development process. Once the code is written, it needs to be debugged and optimized to ensure that it runs efficiently. And that's where AI can help too. AI-powered tools can scan code for potential bugs and vulnerabilities, allowing developers to fix issues before they become major problems. For example, DeepCode, an AI-powered code analysis tool, can detect bugs and security vulnerabilities in code, saving developers time and reducing the risk of costly mistakes. AI can also help optimize code for better performance. AI-powered tools can analyze code and suggest ways to make it more efficient, saving developers time and improving the performance of the software. For example, Codacy, an AI-powered code analysis tool, can analyze code and suggest ways to make it more efficient. In addition to these technical benefits, AI can also help improve the overall software development process. AI-powered tools can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up developers to focus on more complex tasks. For example, AI-powered chatbots can answer frequently asked questions and provide support to developers, freeing up human support staff to handle more complex issues. Overall, AI has the potential to transform the software development process, making it faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors. While AI is not likely to replace software developers anytime soon, it is clear that AI-powered tools will become increasingly important in the future of software development. Developers who embrace AI and learn how to use it effectively will be well positioned to succeed in the future of software development. To fully grasp the magnitude of this transformation, Let us delve into the key aspects of AI's influence on software development, its impact on developers, and the broader implications for the tech industry. Firstly, let's look at how AI is changing the role of the developer. AI is acting as a catalyst, supercharging developers' abilities and opening up new possibilities. They're no longer just writing lines of code. Instead, they're collaborating with intelligent machines that learn from vast amounts of data, predict outcomes, and solve problems in innovative ways. It's like having an extra set of highly skilled hands in your toolbox. AI allows developers to tackle more complex challenges and deliver sophisticated solutions faster than ever before. But that's not all. AI is also helping developers to upskill and evolve in their careers. As AI takes over the more routine aspects of coding, developers are freed up to focus on higher-level tasks requiring creativity, critical thinking, and strategic planning. AI becomes the perfect tutor, providing guidance, feedback, and recommendations for improvement. With AI by their side, developers can continuously learn, grow, and adapt to the ever-changing tech landscape. Now let's shift our focus to the wider implications of AI in the tech world. AI is reshaping the very fabric of the tech industry, influencing everything from the products we use to the services we rely on. AI is breaking down barriers, enabling new ideas to flourish and driving innovation to new heights. Products and services are being created that were previously unimaginable, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The tech world is becoming more accessible, opening doors for new players and fostering a thriving ecosystem of ideas and opportunities. As I look to the future, I am filled with excitement and optimism. The advancements in AI technology are happening at a rapid pace, and the potential for software development is truly limitless. Who knows what groundbreaking innovations we will see in the years to come? The possibilities are endless. However, it's important to acknowledge that with great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, we must ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly. We need to address concerns around privacy, security, and bias and make sure that AI benefits all of us. It is our duty to harness the power of AI for good and create a future that we can all be proud of. So let us embrace the future of software development with open arms, ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Let us continue to push the boundaries of what's possible and strive to create a better, more innovative future for ourselves and generations to come. Alright, so why do I believe that AI will change software development forever? Because it's not just a trend or a passing fad. It's a fundamental shift in the way we solve problems and build products. AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated and powerful, and its impact on software development is only going to grow in the years to come. It's already changing the way we work, the way we think, and the way we innovate. And if you're a software developer or aspiring software developer, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and embrace AI. Learn how to use AI-powered tools to write code faster, debug code more efficiently, and optimize code for better performance. The future is bright for those who embrace AI, and I encourage you to be a part of this exciting evolution. I want to thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of AI and software development. I hope I've inspired you to explore the endless possibilities that lie ahead. Remember, the future is yours to shape. Embrace AI, unleash your potential, and make your mark on the world. Until next time, happy coding and good luck. Alright, folks, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of AI and software development. And if you're as excited as I am about the future of tech, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more amazing content coming your way. Until then, keep coding, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. You never know what incredible things you might discover next. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.